Hey guys, in today's video you'll be checking out some of the best Halloween outdoor decorations available in the market. We have combined them according to their quality, capacity, price, user satisfaction and ease of use. You can find out more info about them in the description box below. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon below to be the first to know about any new videos. Ranking at number 4 we have Join Outdoor Decorations. It is made of high quality weather resistant plastic. This yard decor could be used outdoor for a long time. At number 3 we have Join Outdoor Decorations. Join valuable hanging Halloween skeleton set include a flying Grim Reaper and a skeleton pirate for best Halloween props. Its arms are bendable, easily adjust them to any pose that most fit best for overall decorations. At number 2 we have Kusaku Outdoor Decorations. This Halloween spider decoration set includes spiderweb, spider silk and artificial big spiders. It is used for horror decoration of outdoor and indoor places. At number 1 we have Join Outdoor Decorations. This scary yard decorations includes 9 designs of these corrugated yard stakes. This haunted Halloween outdoor decor will provide you with an awesome Halloween fun factor through its unique designs. Now it's your turn. Let us know in the comment box below as this video helps you to find the best outdoor decorations for your need.